and pry it upwards. Okay, it's opened. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to open the door with a broken door handle when the car's battery is dead. See, the door handle came off. The linkage between the door and the door handle mechanism snapped suddenly, and the car's battery is dead. There's no power. I can unload the car from the other and open the door from the other side. So first, let's remove the broken door handle. Unlock the door using the key. And use a flathead screwdriver to pry the front end of the door handle mechanism inside the door, like this. See, this is circle shaped like mechanism inside the door, and just insert the screwdriver and pry it upwards. Okay, it's opened.